welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I know I've been a little absent this week, but I really have been nursing my knee, so I want to let you know that I appreciate you being here. Now, we are going to do a look from a Halloween palette, and this is a gem from Melt Cosmetics, and it is the Beetlejuice Waiting Room palette. And I have not dug this out since probably last Halloween, and it's got the amazing picture from the waiting room with Miss Argentina there, cut in half. And this is how beautiful it is. It is stunning. And look at those rich reds and those sweet grays and blacks and silvers. I'm going to be able to make a very cool look with this. And there's names like Obituary, No Exit, Sod Girl, Dante's Inferno, Lydia, Sandworm, Juno, Shrunken Head, Tombstone, and Charmon. Charmon! Charmon! That's right, Charmon. I'm completely a loon, but that's nothing new. I'm going to start with some gray. I'm going to go in with Shrunken Head into the crease. So pigmented. We can handle a strong eye look today. And I'm using a really nice, oh man, that went too far. Let's see if I can salvage this look, this Shrunken Head over on this side. It's beautiful. It's a great smoky color. It looks like I just smeared concrete all over my eyelids there. Lordy, lordy. Not nearly as soft as I was planning on. Let's get the blending brush and see what we can do. See if I can't smoke this out a little. Not like I said, I'm not afraid to do a big bold look. It's just been a minute since I did something so powerful with this color gray. And what you got to know about Melt Cosmetics is when their stuff is amazing, it's 100% pigmented, and the package design is gorgeous. Well, I've definitely smoked that out for sure. Now it leaves, I'm gonna get a little bit more Shrunken Head over here. Try to balance it out. And I always tell you guys, my eyes are different sizes and different shapes, so it's always interesting to see how they turn out. I've got this big mess of gray going. Oh, lordy, lordy. Look who's not 40. All right, we're going to go big or we're going to go home. Oh, look, I get to make a wish. My little thing was different. All right. I'm trying to use some of my darker brushes so they don't get stained. This is one of my Sonia G brushes. And it's so dark and foreboding. I'm gonna go into Lydia, which is this fantastic maroon color, and just go right in. Because this is a Halloween look. with a, or you know, dramatic look with a Halloween palette. I haven't really done any Halloween looks so far. That's looking pretty beautiful. That looks great. It looks great. So a few months ago, I made a judgment error in a parking lot, and I accidentally clipped a car. Was it all my fault? Probably. I just misjudged. But I left a note in my insurance information, and, you know, I was responsible. I didn't just hit and ditch. And so my car has been in the shop for the last couple days, and I got this. I've got a Kia Soul. And they didn't have any mid-sized cars, so they gave me a big minivan. I know minivan is an oxymoron. And so this van is huge, and it's like a hybrid, and you have to push the button, and you have to turn a dial to, I mean, it's just beyond what I'm used to, and it's just kind of crazy. I'm going to go into Juno with my finger, the silver, and put it on the crease and all on the lid. Ooh, that's pretty. So I had all these doctor's appointments today, and I just was not feeling trying to park this van downtown on the street. So I borrowed my husband's Kia Soul. We are a Kia Soul loving family. And so, but then it's a Chrysler station wagon, not station wagon, minivan, and it's absolutely huge, and it's like a rocket ship. It's got so many bells and whistles and gadgets and levers, and it's just crazy. I'm going to go into a darker color to give some, I know, like I need more depth. To give some more depth, I'm going to go into no exit here. And ooh, pretty. Going real light with that. Dark, mysterious, beautiful. All these things can be said of the Beetlejuice waiting room palette. Let's get in here and do some eyeliner. Okay, kitty cats. Did you hear someone go meow 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 meow? It was a kitty cat, because I've got like 100 of them. I've got 4. So I'm going in with a Stila Slay All Day eyeliner. And it is looking great. But anyway, that minivan is just too much for me. They're supposed to swap it out with a different car this week, because my car's going to be in the shop for like 10 days. So I need something I can drive a little more easily. And plus, it's always fun to have, you know, a different car to drive. I feel dark and mysterious. I feel like my blush is too light. I'm going to go into an old blush that I have. And it's this red blush from Sephora. They have not made this in a long time. Let's see if I can't blend that in. Oh, it looks crazy. I have more videos to make. Lordy, what have I done? Have I made a good look? I'm not so sure. I think once I put some dark, beautiful lipstick on, it'll pull everything together. I have such a nice flush to my cheeks. My cheeks are so flush and radiant and gorgeous. I'm going to go into number 50, Voyager, which is a super dark oxblood color. From Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink, my favorite. I don't even use my Jeffree Star stuff hardly at all anymore. Yes, please. Very nice. It's a beautiful, beautiful look. That's cats for you. Well, I want to thank you so much for being with me while we play with this Halloween palette and make a dark, spooky look for a dark, spooky fall. This has been the Beetlejuice Waiting Room palette. It's super cool. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.